Welcome students, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will teach you the practicals of reproduction. You have to study two practicals in the topic reproduction. First of all, I will teach you the reproduction in amoeba. As you all must be knowing that amoeba is a unicellular organism and so it prefers asexual reproduction. What do we mean by asexual reproduction? Asexual reproduction means when the organism do not involve gametes, that is sperm and ova. And next, the organism will also not involve both the parents in reproduction. That means only a single parent can produce a new individual. The amoeba shows binary fission. Binary means two, fission means breaking up. That means amoeba will break into two and will produce two new individuals in each asexual reproduction steps. Now, before going to the slide, remember one thing, that before dividing into two, amoeba doubles all its contents. Either it is nuclear content or either it is a cytoplasmic content. It doubles its number of DNA, it doubles its number of nucleoplasm, it doubles its number of cytoplasm and all the things. After doubling itself, it divides into two. The same thing will be done by yeast, which is the second unicellular organism which you have to study. But yeast will do budding. Always remember, yeast belongs to kingdom fungi, and fungi basically prefer spore formation. But in the case of yeast, it is a type of exception, you can say, which prefer budding. Budding means कली, okay, फूल की कली. तो कली जैसा कुछ structure बनता है. So we say that yeast does reproduction by budding. What happens in budding? That a small outgrowth comes out from the yeast and it gets detached from its mother yeast when it is fully grown, matured, and so it forms a colony type of structure after detaching from its mother. So boys, be ready. Now I am going to show you the slides which are in our school and the microscope. You can see that here I have already set up the slide. Before setting a slide in the microscope, first of all you have to set the mirror for the perfect light which will make you able to see anything. After the setting of the mirror, set the slide on the platform and you must be able to see that I have kept here the slide of amoeba. I have kept here the slide of amoeba. Now when we will see amoeba, it's not protozoa, okay. We will see the amoeba, okay. It belongs to the protozoa. Now we will see the organism first of all in the 10x zoom. First of all we see the organism in 10x zoom. After seeing the organism in 10x zoom, that where does it lies in the slide, we arrange to see that in 40x zoom, that means 400 times. Okay, now I will show you that how it is looking. For this you have to set the slide with the help of these two knobs. This knob will set the zooming and this will clear more clear. This small knob will make it more clear. Now see how is it looking.
So here you are able to see the amoeba. You are able to see the nucleus. You are able to see the pseudopodia. So this is the amoeba. Okay. You are able to see the pseudopodias. Fine. Now I will set the slide of yeast. So here we have got the yeast. Fine. So first of all, the same thing, I will set the mirror. It's already set it and we are getting enough light. Now we will do the second step. We will keep the slide in the platform, and now I will set this, the whole thing, first of all in 10x zoom. Okay boys, I will first of all set this in 10x zoom. I have set it in 10x zoom. It's very clear now. That means slide is in good position. Okay, now I will change this and I will set it in 40x. Now I will show you what it is looking like. So this is the vision in the microscope of the yeast. You are able to see so many buds are there. I will try to make it more clear. Let me see. Okay, it can be more clear. Okay, we'll try again. Now it's a good view. So you have seen yeast. So boys, finally we have seen the 2 slides which are kept in our school, which you have to see in the microscope and identify. Thank you for watching.